Welcome to TradeFairTimes. Today we're at the Valve World Expo 2026, one of the industry's premier gatherings for valve, piping, fitting, pumps and flow control sectors, bringing together leading manufacturers, technology providers and industry experts from around the world. The expo serves as a key platform for innovation, networking and business opportunities. From cutting-edge technologies to sustainable solutions, the event showcases the latest developments shaping the future of industrial flow control. Let's see what's inside.
Hi, my name is Katwe. I'm from Katwe Industries. I lead the operations and new product development team. We are manufacturers of quarter-turn and manual override gearboxes used for valve actuation, and we're a ISO certified company and have been around for 35 plus years in the industry. These gearboxes are mounted on valves used for valve actuation, and we've got two types of gearboxes. One is the quarter-turn series, and the other one is declutchable manual override series.
I'm Hitesh. I'm from Velmat. We are a Finnish group specializing in manufacture of valves and actuators. So I'll just start introduction of one of my hero product, which is B1 actuator and butterfly valve. Yeah, so we have positioners, linkageless, contactless, and smart positioners. So we have actuators which are normally used in severe services. So again, high severe actuators, big butterfly valves, big ball valves, triple offset, double offset valves. So these are all equipments which are used in critical services for oil and gas, metals and mining, pulp and paper, and renewables and gases. Yeah, so the beauty of this product is that everything is in-house, right from top works to bottom works. Limit switch, actuator, mounting, linkage and actuator is all in-house. This is piston actuator cylinder, then this is a easy flow ball valve. Yeah. So this year or for the coming years also, we are destined to be one of the biggest players for valves in Indian market and abroad. So yeah, Velmat is a growing company. So thank you.
Hello, my name is Rajeev Rao. I am the partner of Rajeev and Company. We are manufacturing a brand of valves called Kawata valves, and these valves are basically ball valves in different configurations. We do manufacture the regular two-way ball valves, but our main focus is on multi-port valves, 3-way, 4-way, 6-way and also 9-way. In fact, that is an unknown kind of valve we developed for a shipping company. And we are manufacturing these products with different configurations and different dimensions as per the customer requirement. We have our own foundry, so we can do a lot of customization and we can do a lot of changes in the valve as per expectations, and we can also suggest to the customer what would suit his requirements better. And this we have been doing for the last 20 years, and the factory has been in operation for 30 years, but the valves have been in operation for 20 years. And we have made a very good name internationally. We have exported to more than 27 countries so far, and we have our own setup with a manufacturer in US, and he is purchasing the valves with his brand on it. And so here you see a 6-way valve, and this 6-way valve is actually a combination of two 3-way valves, and these are used for diversion of flow in a duplex strainer. So what happens is, this is the inlet and the fluid comes out here, and there is a strainer on this side, so the liquid gets strained, comes out through this outlet, and when the strainer gets clogged after weeks or months of operation, we can shift over to the strainer on this side by diverting the flow. So this valve does the function of preventing leakage when the strainer has gone for maintenance. It's a similar valve, but here what happens is the distance between the valves can be quite high. The distance between the valves can be as high as 6 meters. So what happens, and here we have got this universal coupling. This makes sure that even if the valves are not collinear, because they are mounted 6 meters apart, this kind of arrangement makes sure that there is no loading on the stem and there is no leakage. And these valves typically work for more than 10-15 years, and they don't leak at all. Now here we have got a 4-way valve. This valve is used in a double L arrangement, where this gets connected to, let us say, the inlet, and the outlet is here. Just by a 90-degree shift, the outlet goes there, and this gets connected to this port. So that's how this works. Now this one right here is a throttle cum check valve. This works normally in one open condition, and you can also reverse it by managing this. This is actually a check valve in normal operation, but it can be made to go in the reverse and with a throttling arrangement here. And these are very high pressure valves. This can work up to 500 bars. Alright, this one right here is actually a hydraulic actuator which doesn't just move to and fro, and while it is going down it rotates by 90 degrees, and when it goes up it rotates back by 90 degrees. So this is an invention for which I have applied for a patent, and it's expected soon. We already have a patent for a three-way valve where the ball doesn't float, the stem also floats along with the ball. That's a specialty which I have developed, and we already have a patent for that. This is my second patent which I have applied for. Okay, so most of the people who are using hydraulic actuators on valves did not have a rotary hydraulic actuator. It was not available. So they had something called an Indian jugaad, where they had a reciprocating arm, and that was rotating the valve. And because a reciprocating action doesn't produce a purely rotary motion, it was actually trying to swivel the valve from far away, and that used to spoil the seats in the valve. So the customer had, always used to request me to do something about it, and he wanted me to improve his version of that innovation. Then when I went to actually improve his version, I came up with my original invention.
Hi, my name is Ravindra. I am representing to Vikson Spring, which is located in Pune, Maharashtra. We are the largest spring manufacturer in the automobile sector, aeronautical, then oils, defense, home appliance, as well as the aerospace industries. In terms of wire range, 0.1 to up to 30 mm. We provide all types of materials in conal material, wire, 17 cent pH, 304, and we manufacture all types of spring, compression, extension, wire forms. Thank you.
That's a wrap. Follow for latest updates about exhibitions and conventions.